Gee, where it felt like I fought like 5 different bouts. Shoveling this blizzard. 5 different, that warrior status. Well, that's why they don't want to see me in that octagon ring, backyard, you know what I'm saying, fighting UFC. That's why them police don't want to see. They don't want to meet me in there. You know what I'm saying? I felt like I'm a warrior. Man, imagine shoveling blizzard, snow. I felt like I was just knocking it out. Ding, ding, ding. Warrior right here, warrior status. Real American shit right here.